This is my ultimate Gluhwine recipe. Let's agree. Most mulled wine or Gluhwine is terrible from a Christmas market. It's warmed wine at a Christmas market that you're meant to feel Christmassy, but it tastes like crap. I've watched loads of videos, and this is my combination of loads of recipes all together to form the best Gluhwine recipe that you've ever tasted.
The first thing to do is to caramelize the sugar.
Adding sugar.
Here you see this is already caramelizing very nicely. I will add the grape juice.
And the grape juice.
A fragrant bouquet garni. Basically, a really nice aromatic tea bag. Muslin cloth, absolutely perfect for this. If you haven't got muslin cloth, a brand new J cloth is just as good.
One J cloth.
And pods. They are incredibly aromatic, and more importantly, gives it a really nice, dense, spicy flavour.
Cardamom pods.
Of cloves. Cloves are dried flower buds and add a lovely pungent sweet flavour.
Add in cloves.
Then drop in a couple of star anise, which adds an aniseed note.
Star anise.
Cinnamon sticks are made from the bark of trees native to Sri Lanka. Break one in and this gives a warm, sweet spice to the wine.
Add in cinnamon stick. Strong. Add in 2 teaspoons of nutmeg.
Once all your spices are in, fold up the muslin cloth and tie tightly.
Gordon Ramsay's tea bag. And the tablespoons of vanilla extract.
Whatever sweetener we're going to add. And I'm adding honey. This is about 2/3 to 3/4 of a cup.
Otherwise the alcohol boils off.